discussing a very important topic that affects everyone who earns an income. Income tax is the topic we will be looking at today, and I hope you are paying rapt attention to it. Income tax is a tax levied on the income of individuals and entities by the government. The purpose of income tax is to raise revenue for the government and to fund public services, and also to do some welfare programs. The income tax system is progressive in the US, and in most countries of the world, which means that the more income you earn, the higher percentage of tax you will have to pay. Looking at the US income tax, let's look at the calculation. The income tax calculation is based on the taxpayer taxable income, which is calculated by subtracting deduction and exemption from the total income. The taxable income is then taxed at a specific rate according to the tax bracket that the taxpayer falls into. What is tax bracket and what is tax rate? Tax bracket and rate vary from country to country and are also subject to change from time to time. In general, the tax rates are higher for higher income earners and lower for lower income earners. Taxpayers are assigned to a tax bracket based on their income level. The tax bracket and rate are usually published by the government, and taxpayers can easily find them online. So let's look at the deductions and exemptions. Deductions and exemptions are provisions in the income tax system that allows taxpayers to reduce their taxable income. Deductions are expenses that are allowed to be subtracted from the total income, such as the mortgage interest, charitable donation, and business expenses. Exemptions are certain amount of income that is exempt from tax, such as personal exemption, which is a fixed amount of the income that is not taxed. To file a tax income return, taxpayers are required to file income tax every year, which include reporting their income and claiming deduction and exemption. The deadline for filing a tax return varies from country to country. Failure to file an income tax on time can result in penalty and interest charges. Let's look at how you can plan your tax, which is also called tax planning. Tax planning is the process of arranging one's financial affairs in a manner that reduces the tax liability. Taxpayers can engage in tax planning by taking advantage of deductions and exemptions, investing in tax-deferred retirement account, and timing the income and deduction. Income tax is a very important topic that affects everyone who earns an income. Understanding how income tax works and how to properly manage one tax liability is essential for financial planning. I hope this lecture has been informative and has provided you with a basic understanding of income tax.